I'm going to just settle in, just had something. This is going to be my breakfast. I have a meeting at 9, I have a meeting at 10, I have a meeting at 12, and I have a meeting at 1:30. So it's gonna be a pretty packed day. I'm trying to get my deliverables done before the end of the day. So it's gonna be a lot. So let's go. If you know, I actually changed jobs and I really love what I'm doing. It's really rewarding, it's really valuable, and it really is helping the economy in some way or another. Yes, so like I was saying, I really enjoy what I'm doing. Right now we are in the trying to get some entities to sign on, and we have a deadline of the end of the year, and with me on the team, I'm sure that would happen. So I'm going to look back at this and be like, yeah, we made it happen. So catch me back in a few months before the end of the year and we will see if we got it done. I'm sure we got it done, and I'm sure the next update I'm going to be like, yeah, we did it, we're celebrating. So guys, I'm going to sign off right now and play b-roll for basically the rest of the day, just to let you see like what I do, or a little bit of what I do. Some things I can't really show because confidentiality is a thing and I don't want to lose my job. But yeah, catch you soon. The day is over. The day is over. I am so tired, but I'm gonna put in probably like an hour work because the traffic is driving.
Baby, I like you. Oh, baby, I die for you. See you, you know, I see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord.